Question 1a. What does the heart do? The heart pumps blood around the body. B. Why does it do this? Answer. To supply all parts of the body with food and oxygen and to remove waste products from different parts of the body. Question 2. What is heartbeat? Answer. The heart muscle contracting as it pumps the blood. Question 3. Why does the heart muscle pump blood to the lungs before it pumps blood to the rest of the body? To pick up oxygen that is carried in the blood to the rest of the body. Question 4. Why do we need 3 different types of blood vessels? Answer. They each have different jobs to do to ensure that all parts of the body get food and oxygen and that waste products are removed from different parts of the body. Arteries carry blood containing oxygen and food to all parts of the body. Veins carry blood different parts of the body back to the heart. Capillaries join arteries and veins bring oxygen and food to the body cells and take away waste.